up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is a long awaited SHEIN haul. I know you guys love my hauls and I love doing them. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into this haul. Of course, I opened the box already, but it's only because I wanted like 2 things out of the box, so I actually haven't looked at the rest of the stuff that I got. So this is the box of stuff that I got, and yeah, let's just get into this. I'm actually gonna start with the clothes because I did get shoes and some other accessories, which I'll probably just leave for that. Actually, no, I'm gonna do those first. So the first thing I got was this thing right here. Okay, I don't know what you call it. It's like the paper that you put around your hair. If you have a pixie cut, a relaxed pixie cut, then you know when you go to the hairdresser, they wrap that around the hair and put you under the dryer, or sometimes barber uses it to wrap around your neck so the hair doesn't get, I don't know what it's called, but I bought it. If you guys know what it is, you know what it is. I'll have all the links, well, I'll try to link everything in the description box below, but this is what it is. It's slightly stretchy. Yeah, I don't know what to call it, but I got a roll of it because I could not find it out here. So yeah, number 2 is this razor comb thing, and this is really why I wanted to go in the box, because it's actually what I used to do the layers in this hair. It's not straightened or anything. I literally just get up out of my bed and decided to say, oh, I'm gonna do this video today. But this is what it looks like. So there's the actual comb on this end, and then on this end you have a sharper side and you have a not so sharp side. They both have blades in them, and you can actually take this apart and put in new blades when these ones get dull. Yeah, just go on a shiny man shop and ask them for some disposable razors and you're good to go. So this was very helpful, very helpful, and it was probably like $2. So yeah, love that for me. Also, wait, before me even showing that, I don't have a hoodie dryer. I'm not one of those wig influencers who have everything in them possession. I don't have it. I ain't buying no hoodie dryer, so I bought this. So this is a bonnet dryer attachment. So you turn on your blow dryer and you connect it to the end of the blow dryer and you put this over your head. I want to open it to see what it looks like though, because I'm curious. Cool. Okay, so I guess that part here goes over my head, and this part goes onto the blow dryer. Okay, cool. No, I don't really trust buying these types of things on SHEIN, but I didn't want to spend $30 or $20. I just couldn't bother, right? I just want to buy all my things in one place. So if you know, say you live in Jamaica, you just want to get everything from one place. You can't bother split up the order them all the time. Like, I wasn't gonna just see this on SHEIN and not buy it. Why would I leave the app to go and purchase it on Amazon when I could just have it with the rest of my stuff? So this was like $11, $12, something like that. It's a flat iron. You know those pencil ones? My hair is in a pixie cut, as I said, and my flat iron that I have, it's too big to grab it, so I got this one. So this is what she looks like. Super sleek and cute. You can unhook it. Can I set the temperature? And there's the temperature settings, so I think that's cool. It don't really feel cheap, to be very honest, so I can't wait to use it. As soon as I take this wig off, I'm going to wash my hair, and I will definitely comb it because I do miss my hair. I haven't worn my hair in a very long time. I've been up under glueless wigs and tums and do-rags because I just couldn't bother. Oh, I lied, mental. I have one more hair thing. This. So if you don't know how to use a curling iron or a curling wand, or you don't want to use flexi rods but you want some effortless curls, then I guess this is what you can use. This is what it looks like. It's the thing that you put on your head like so, wrap the hair around it, secure the end with one of these, go to sleep, and you wake up and you have effortless curls. That's it, and that's all. Cheap. I love it. Well, although I'm not use it yet, but I love the idea of it because I don't like, I just cannot use a curling iron to save my life, and I can't take the stress, so that's good enough for me. You know, I had to know. So moving on, I bought this bag. I think this is the only bag that I actually got. throughout the entire haul. It's giving stupid, but yeah, anyways, I thought it was super cute, and I really needed an evening bag, a little classy bag, you know, because all of my bag, them, if you know me, you know, all of my bags are very unique. I don't have many plain bags or classy bags and nothing like that, so I needed this. So this is what she looks like. So that's on the front, and this is on the back. Comes with straps. You don't know, I feel like that would make the bag more casual than classy, so if I want to switch up the look I can, but super cute. Next on the list, I don't have a lot of heels, and that is sad for a young lady. Every time I want to go out for brunch, me number one set of heels I have, like 3 heels I have. These are the 2 I got. Oh, hey, cheapness, you know. Look at already a pop button, but nothing a little crazy glue won't fix. It was on sale anyways for like what, $15 or something like that. I don't remember, but you know, if it's cheap, me will catch it. My god, it's cheap for true, man. Why to bust something like that? I realize I'm not gonna get much wear out of this, because why is it lifting? She might kill me. Gotta remember about SHEIN, you know, the cheaper the less quality, but hey, we're here for a good time, not a long time. So I was actually really scared to get this next pair because of the rhinestones on it, but I asked one of my friends if, you know, she thought it was a good idea, and she said yeah, because she's had hers for a very long time and the rhinestones are still intact. So I got these. I think they're super cute, super cute. I could wear them with a lot of outfits, classy up the look. You know what I say, the heel not too small. I like chunky heels, but you know, this can work too, and it's not too high. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, but I haven't worn it yet for a couple hours yet, so I don't know how comfortable or uncomfortable it is. But yeah, I bought these little powder puff things I'm gonna see everybody have. I want to see the hype, so I'm gonna get like 10 of them. These little things, put in my powder. Wow, wash, man. It don't smell horribly, no, but it wanna wash, man. If I wash this before me put this on my face. And no, me no want none of my friend them beg me none. Me no want none of beg me none. Go buy it. Go and buy it. Because every time I have beauty blender or I have nothing like that, I'll come use it out and then me not have nothing more. Don't ask me for nothing. I don't have it. Hey, what is this? Oh, what is this? I got these a good while ago, so I honestly don't even remember what's in the. What is this? Oh my god, I have to try this on now. Hold on. So this is the top. This top is super cute, super classy. I wanted to start adding more, how should I say, formal pieces into my wardrobe, because I can't always have the impy skimpy. I have so many short shorts, short skirts, tight up, ray and tay. I need some classy looks, you know. If I have a business meeting or anything like that, I literally have nothing to wear. I don't have no dress pants, I don't have nothing like that, so I'm gonna need a one look. Oh, just look at the material. Just look at it. And you can adjust it so it shows more or shows less. I have nothing to show, so it's gonna stay right there. So I like the little puffiness of the sleeves. Oh my gosh, the material is like a satiny silk type of vibe going on. I love it. It's a little bit stretchy too. It is super cute. I think the colors add a great little oomph to it too. Period. Guys, these are the pants. I absolutely love them. I tried them with the top and it actually looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. The pants, I almost felt they were tight when I was trying to pull them up. Just excuse the box and the sheer and all them stuff there. I'm not moving them. But yeah, oh my gosh, I love these so much. Like, they fit perfectly, literally perfectly. Don't mind whatever I have under the shorts, under the pants. I just can't bother to take it off, but it fits so well. It hugs everywhere. It has a little stretch to it. It's like a velvety suede material, and the bottom flares out. It's like barefoot pants, you know them vibe there. It is the perfect length for me. Just for reference, I'm 5'6.5", I think, or 5'5", one of them. They stop at a pretty good length, I'm not gonna lie. They're not dragging on the floor and they're not too short. I hate when pants are too short and I hate when pants are dragging on the floor because I don't always feel like I want to wear heels. Although I would wear heels with this, not gonna lie, because this fit is eating. This fit is eating. I would love to wear this to a little business meeting, a little formal, especially with the straight hair, the straight 24-inch bust down. You know what I'm saying? Hot as hell though. I will say that it is extremely hot, but yeah, it's cute. It's really cute. On to the next. So next on the list is this top. I thought it was really cute, really classy. It's like a mock neck top. It has a, what do you call this? I don't know what you'd call this pattern or this style at all. I have no idea. The material is kind of thick. It is stretchy. There's something about it that I don't like. Maybe it's like here, or maybe it's here. It doesn't give me any type of shape. It doesn't really frame my body well, in my opinion. I feel like I'd have to tighten here some way, somehow, to accentuate my figure, but I guess it's okay. And then I just have on these pants that I also got. Well, they're kind of like leggings, but as I say, I want to expand my little wardrobe, put in some more little work clothes, some little formal fits. So this is what I got. It doesn't go all the way down to my ankles, but I like how it fits, so I don't really mind. This is how it looks here. It kind of comes down into a V shape, which I think is really cute. I could dress it up or dress it down. It fits perfectly. Once again, I almost thought it was tight because when I was trying to step into it, it looked like it never want to go up. But yeah, that's a that. I also got a blazer. Don't ask me why I got a blazer. Just a little something. I told you I'm trying to expand my closet. I'm not sure if I 100% like it. I feel like I look like one liar. I feel like I work in the courthouse. I work in the courthouse. I said I'm always posing up. I feel like if I would ever, excuse the dog, Jesus have mercy. I feel like if I would ever wear this as a fit or something, I'd have to, no, I would have to, I don't know, see if I could fold that and see if I could I'd more than likely add something right here, like add a little gold belt around it, or put something right here. It just needs to show off my figure. I don't like it like this. It just gives, no. One of the people that were working at bank, run at the back room, you know, not one of the teller them, we work on our back, and like if you have some certain queries that they may go to around the sun. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the fit, but I like all the different pieces. So yeah. So this is the next item. It's just this tank top, and I got it in 2 other colors as well. It fits perfectly. It's ribbed material and it's breathable. Like, me not hot in it, and I thank God. I also got these shorts. I'm gonna show you the 2 other colors of the top soon, but I got these shorts and I'm actually happy that they fit. Well, there's a slight problem in the back, just literally just that, but honestly I would wear it just like that. I don't care that much. And I love the little cutouts in the butt part right here. Super cute, super nice. Am I gaining weight, or are they just finally making shorts that can fit me? I'd like to be delusional and say that I'm gaining weight, but I'd also prefer to be realistic and say that I just got lucky. The other 2 colors, so I have the top in white, I have the top in brown. Use an imagination. This is white, just imagine this in brown. Also imagine it in this lighter brown or beige or tan, whatever color you want to call it, and imagine it in black. Why so much people take my phone? No, I'm gonna love all of them just because I love how this one fits and how it feels. Now this is super cute. This is super cute. Look at it. Eating. eating. Like, I love the fit of it, I love the feel of it. It's thin, well, not super thin, but it's not thick, so I'm not hot in it. It's breathable, it's full of elastic, well, not full, but it's stretchy enough so I can be comfortable. It got the flare at the bottom, like I like it. It fits perfectly. Well, maybe would I want it a little bit tighter right there, but it's good. It can work. It can work. And I even love it with this top. I would just pair it with colors, like a colorful bag or colorful shoes or something, just to give it that pop. But I love it. Absolutely amazing. I've always wanted some zebra print stuff, and I finally got it. I finally got it. No to at this point, my hair is a mess, my sweat, everything, and I think this is criminal to be putting this on right now. I love the quality. Love the quality. Love the color. If y'all don't know me, I love the color green. It's one of my favorite colors, or my favorite color outside of black. This is what it looks like. Super cute, super cute. And if you live somewhere cold, this would be perfect for you because it is extremely thick. Right now I just want to give, I'm not gonna lie, it is extremely hot, but I love the fit of it. It's not too big. I didn't want it too oversized. It fits just like how I would want it. The bottoms go right to my ankles, literally stop this much above my ankles, which I'm okay with. I definitely wear this with some sneakers. I even love it with the straight hair. It's like a cute little casual fit. Don't know if me go out one night, go par with the thugs them, go par with the youths them, par with the dolly them, for a little casual link up. I'd wear this because I'm always cold. But yeah, absolutely love this. Me I gotta take it off now, do it. And to the last piece that I got to try on is this pajama set. It's absolutely adorable. I thought the shorts were going to be extremely big because I don't remember if I got an extra small or a small. I think this is a small, and I was worrying that the bottoms were going to be way too big because I kind of like when the shorts they make me look like I have a little something going on around here, so I'm kind of buy small, like a really extra small or smaller than an extra small. But this is fine. This is roomy. I can breathe in this, and it has that little satin material, that satin feel to it to get the black and white. You know, I don't really like the bright colors, and of course for a little personality I picked this one with a little heart on it because I thought it was cute. So yeah, this was the last thing that I got to try, but not the last thing I bought. The last thing that I bought were some drawers. SHEIN got some of the best underwear. I bought this pack of I'm gonna count too much. I got this pack of 7, and this was for probably like between $9 to $11. Of course I used coupon code, so you know it's even less. And this is what they look like. So blue, black, green, brown. It's like a dark green, olive green. I don't know what color it's translating to on camera. A gray, like a beigeish or a light brown. That's for this, and I should be buying more. That is pretty much it. That sums up my haul. I am exhausted. My hair is a mess. May I sweat? I can't wait to turn on by my fan. But yeah, if you like this haul and you want me to do a part 2, because I got some other stuff in another haul that I never showed you guys. It's not as much stuff as this, but I'm not gonna include that in this one. So if you don't want to know one day, let me know in the comments below. Tell me in the comments which piece was your favorite piece. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.